baby, alphabet A to Z. A, albatross. A baby albatross is called a chick. Albatross chicks grow big before learning to fly over the ocean. B, bluebird. Baby bluebird is called a nestling when it's still in the nest. They depend on their parents to bring them worms and bugs. C, crow. Fledgling. A baby crow is called a fledgling when it's learning to fly. Fledglings hop around and practice using their wings. D, dove. Squab. A baby dove is called a squab. Squabs stay in the nest until they grow feathers and can fly. E, eagle. Eagles. A baby eagle is called an eaglet. Eaglets grow up in big nests called eyries and learn to soar in the sky. F, flamingo. A baby goat is called a chick. Flamingo chicks are born white or gray and turn pink as they grow. G, goose. Gosling. A baby goose is called a gosling. Goslings follow their parents around and learn to swim in ponds. Hawk. A-ass. A baby hawk is called an e-ass. A-asses grow up learning to hunt small animals with their sharp talons. Ibis. A baby ibis is also called a chick. Ibis chicks stay in their nests until they're strong enough to wade in the water. J, fledgling. A baby jay, like a blue jay, is called a fledgling when it leaves the nest. They are curious and love hopping around in trees. K, kestrel. A baby kestrel's called an eas, just like a baby hawk. Kestrel chicks grow quickly and become skilled hunters. A loon. Chick. A baby loon is called a chick. Loon chicks ride on their parents' backs while swimming in lakes. A macaw. Chick. A baby macaw is called a chick. Macaw chicks are born featherless and rely on their parents for food. And nightingale. Fledgling. A baby nightingale is called a fledgling when it starts to fly. Fledglings are known for their early attempts at singing. O, owl. Owlet. A baby owl is called an owlet. Owlets have fluffy feathers and big eyes that help them see in the dark. Penguin chick. A baby penguin is called a chick. Penguin chicks huddle together to stay warm in cold weather. Quail. Queen. A baby quail is called a chick. Quail chicks are tiny and love running after their parents. R, robin. A baby robin is called a nestling when it's in the nest. Nestlings grow up eating worms brought by their parents. S, swan. Son. A baby swan is called a cygnet. Cygnets are fluffy and gray before turning into elegant white swans. Toucan. Toucan. A baby toucan is called a chick. Toucan chicks are born in nests inside tree holes. Umbrella bird. Chick. A baby umbrella bird is also called a chick. Chick umbrella birds stay in their nests high in the trees. The vulture. A baby vulture is called a chick. Vulture chicks stay in their nests until they are strong enough to soar in the sky. W, woodpecker. Nestling. A baby woodpecker is called a nestling when it's still in the nest. They wait for their parents to bring food like insects. X, xenops. Chick. A baby xenops is called
a baby xenops is called a chick. Xenops chicks grow up in nests made inside tree trunks. Y, yellowhammer chick. A baby yellowhammer is called a chick. They are fed seeds and insects by their parents. Z, zebra finch chick. A baby zebra finch is called a chick. Zebra finch chicks are tiny and grow quickly with the help of their parents.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.